Hello, my name is Lisa. I live in a small house with my family. Our house is white. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom. It is not big, but it is clean and warm. We have a small garden behind the house. There are flowers, trees, and some birds. Sometimes we sit in the garden and drink tea together. There are 5 people in my family. My father is a driver. He drives a big truck. He leaves home early in the morning and comes back in the evening. He likes to tell us stories about his day. My mother is a nurse. She works at a small clinic. She helps sick people. She is very kind and always smiles. I love my mother's food. She cooks rice, soup, and vegetables every day. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My brother is older than me. He likes football. He plays with his friends after school. He can run very fast. My sister is younger. She likes dolls and drawing. She often draws pictures of our family. Her pictures are very nice. We put them on the wall. Every morning we eat breakfast together. My father drinks tea. My mother drinks coffee. We eat bread and eggs. Then we go to school and work. In the evening we eat dinner at 7 o'clock. After dinner, we sit in the living room. We talk, laugh, and sometimes play games. There is a small TV in the corner. We watch cartoons or news. At the weekend, we clean the house together. I clean my room. My brother helps my father fix things. My sister helps my mother wash the dishes. We also go to the market. We buy food, fruits, and sometimes toys. My parents teach us how to save money. Do you know what I like most? I like Saturday night. On Saturday night, we sometimes eat pizza. We watch a funny movie and eat popcorn. We sit close to each other and feel happy. I remember last Saturday. We watched a movie about animals. My sister said, "Look, that cat is so cute." We all laughed. My family is very special to me. We are not rich, but we are happy. There is love in every room of our home. When I feel sad, my mother gives me a hug. When I feel sick, my father brings me warm tea. My brother and sister make me smile every day. I think a happy home is not about money or big things. It is about care, time, and love. What about your family? What do you do at home? Do you eat together? Do you help each other? Let's talk about your family too. On Sunday, we do not go to school or work. Sunday is a special day for us. It is a family day. Sometimes we stay home and play games. Sometimes we go outside. We can go to the park, the market, or the zoo. Last Sunday was very fun. Let me tell you what we did. We woke up early. My father said, "Let's go to the zoo today." We were happy. My mother made sandwiches and cut some fruit. There were apples, bananas, and oranges. My brother helped my father check the car. My sister and I put water bottles and cups into a small bag. We left the house at 9 a.m. The zoo was not far. It took us 30 minutes to get there. The weather was sunny. The sky was blue. There were many people at the zoo. There were families, children, and tourists. We saw a map at the entrance. My father asked, "Where do you want to go first?" I said, "Let's see the lions." We saw many animals. We saw lions, monkeys, elephants, zebras, and birds. The monkeys jumped and played. The elephants walked slowly. My sister said, "Wow, they are so big." My brother took many pictures. He said, "Do you want a picture with the zebra?" I said, "Yes." At 12 p.m., we found a big tree and sat down. We ate our lunch there. There were other families too. We talked, we laughed, we watched the birds in the sky. After lunch, we walked to the gift shop. My sister bought a small toy lion. I got a pen with an elephant on it. My father said, "You can use it for school." We stayed at the zoo until 4 p.m. Then we drove home. In the car, we talked about the animals we liked. My mother asked, "What animal did you like best?" My brother said, "The monkeys." I said, "The lions." My sister said, "All of them." When we got home, we were a little tired, but we were happy. We watched a short movie and ate dinner. That Sunday was a great day. I will always remember it. What do you like to do on Sundays? Where do you go with your family? Let's enjoy every Sunday together. Family means everything to me. Family is not only people who live in your house. Family is love, care, and support. My family helps me every day. When I fall, they help me stand. When I cry, they wipe my tears. When I smile, they smile with me. What do families do together? They eat meals, clean the house, talk, and laugh. There is always something to do. In my family, we eat together every night. We sit at the table and talk about our day. My father asks, "What did you do today?" My mother says, "Did you enjoy school?" My brother and sister also share their stories. We listen to each other. My father teaches me many things. He can fix things in the house. I ask, "How do you fix the chair?" He shows me. My mother cooks very well. I say, "What are you cooking today?" She says, "Let's make soup together." I help her wash the vegetables. I can cut the carrots now. Sometimes we go to visit our grandparents. My grandparents live in a small village. There are trees, flowers, and birds there. We help them with the garden. My grandmother gives us cookies. My grandfather tells us stories from the past. We love those visits. My sister always asks, "When will we go again?" When I feel sad, my family gives me hugs. When I do well in school, they say, "Good job." They believe in me. They say, "You can do it." This gives me power to try harder. Family also teaches us to be kind. My mother says, "Help others when you can." My father says, "Be strong and good." We learn from them every day. We learn how to live, how to love, and how to share. One day I asked my mother, "What is the most important thing in life?" She smiled and said, "Family." I think she is right. There is nothing better than a family that loves you. Not money, not toys, not big houses, just love. Do you love your family? What do they do for you? What can you do for them? Let's take care of our families. Let's say thank you. Let's show love every day. A strong family makes a happy life.